my God. Yeah. Okay. Pop. God almighty. So this motherfucker down. God. 73-piece Sun-Kissed vert. That motherfucker shooting 7.62 rubbers at me. The rubber coming off the tire. Let me show you the pavement. You gotta be a real tattooist out here. Anybody can tattoo skin, but you gotta be able to tattoo the pavement. Listen. Hey boy, listen. If you want that power, you might need to come to Legend Racing. You hear me? They got all the power you need. Good God. Pop, so you built this 73 vert right here.
Yeah.
How long has it been in your possession, or how long have you been working on it? I know you just mentioned that folks don't understand how this car is. Like, how long has it been?
I built this car in 2022.
Whew.
2022. For the most part, shit, the only thing ever broke on this motherfucker is the transmission. Other than that, this motherfucker been 10 toes solid, you know? You heard the motor, you felt the motor, so, you know.
When you was building it, did it, like, you know, I know a lot of people have problems, but you the shop owner, you the shop. So was there any problems that you ran into while building?
So first, I'm gonna like put this out there. Like Legend Racing team, right? We on some family shit, you know what I'm saying? This a family. This ain't so much a shop, but it's a family. So anything you see with the sticker on there,
okay,
you know what I'm saying, it's family. So, you know, if we say, hey, look here, we gonna go in and touch the car, you know what I'm saying, we got love for you, we fuck with you, and we gonna get you right. You know what I'm saying? I tell everybody, bro, I don't do this for a living. I do it for fun. I do it's a hobby. You know what I'm saying? Me and my son and my homies, it's a hobby. So whatever I put together, I put love in it, make sure whoever got it, go enjoy your car, go enjoy your truck, whatever it is, you know what I'm saying?
For sure.
That's what I'm on. So,
okay.
You know, it's all the cars we done put out. I did a money call for them. I don't know who got it, but whoever got it, boy, they got a gangster. And that car was something serious. I know to this day he regrets selling that car, but you know what I'm saying? He told me what he wanted, and I gave him what he wanted.
That's what it do.
You know what I'm saying?
Now, another question. How long have you been turning wrenches or having a love and a passion for doing this?
I'm gonna tell you how far back this turbo shit go. So, them boys do their homework. 99, 2000. First C10 turbocharged Dade County. 2000, 2009, 2010. First twin turbo G body, 6-speed Monte Carlo in Dade County. Yeah, right? Frame off, reinforce, all that, right? Anybody felt like they was out there before me, go ahead, jump out there and put it out there. But that's how long I've been on that, you know what I'm saying?
So what we looking at, what, 26, 27 years in the game?
Yeah.
Just
crazy.
Yeah. That's a long time, Paul.
Yeah,
you really got the professionalism underneath your belt right now. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, another few questions. When you putting these motors together, are there certain combinations you looking for to make or to produce the power that these cars are pushing out like that?
First and foremost, longevity. I don't build nothing on a razor blade that if a motherfucker said, man, I'm trying to make 1,500 horsepower, I'm gonna put everything in there to make 2,000 horsepower to make sure he don't never take it to that limit. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
The rear end transmission, you know, for all who don't know, I rock heavy with Vic, Revenge Power, right? All day, every day. You see the sticker on the back of the truck, right? All day, every day. ATF speed, heavy. You know what I'm saying? So when I go to Vic and we sit down and put shit on paper and say, hey, what they trying to do? They trying to do this and this. Let's go ahead and put that combo together and machine that, get that block right, get it to me, and we're gonna do what we're gonna do.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? So I don't build trailer queens, man.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? We done drove this, all the power this truck made, we done drove this truck all the way to Key West and back. You know what I'm saying?
Great.
And it still pull up and do the same thing. Car right here, same thing.
way.
AC piping, 100 degrees outside, music hitting all day.
And still
You know what I'm
gonna
saying?
keep the power with all that
Still
going.
gonna keep the power all day.
Good.
You know what I'm saying?
That's how you do it.
That's how you do it.
Yeah,
You know what I'm
for
saying? Ain't everybody can do that.
Right.
Trust me, because I done seen a whole bunch of garbage ass builds out here. Ain't everybody can do that. Motherfuckers build light to light from here to the city, from here to here, and that's all they got. You spend your money, get what you want, enjoy your shit, go wherever you want to go. You know what I'm saying? That's it. The only thing he got to worry about is getting a flat on the road. Other than that, ain't ride.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Now, these two cars, in no specification as far as like what's in it, are these two twin turbos?
Yeah.
Good gracious.
Yeah.
Good God.
Yeah. Yeah.
Phew. Man, listen. It was a pleasure. Definitely. Listen. He the driver. He the driver. This is right. Listen. Legend Racing, he the driver. If you got any problems or feel like you want to race, pull up next to Dad. Dad he gonna bust your ass every time. But the cars right here, this Vert and this truck, all built up under a family organization, and they keeping it all in the family. I'm just trying to motivate y'all and show y'all the cars that people are building down here in South Florida that's really motivating, that's causing ruckus, mayhem, and madness. And you want to be able to, like I say, you want to get your car off them jack stands and out from that talk, but you got to have your money right. If you looking to run like how these cars running right here, holla at Legend Racing, but you got to have your bag right. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, because when I drop these banger videos, I want y'all to be tuned in so y'all can see everything that's dropping, that's heat down here in South Florida. I'm down here in the horses barn, you hear me? I'm down here in the horses stable. You hear how them horses sound under there? It's a lot of hooving hitting the ground. It's a lot of horse playing going on. It's a lot of galloping. It's a lot of galloping going on. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this one talking Camanese. This one talking Camanese too. His accent a little thicker though. I can't really understand what he's saying. Oh, what you got to say? Oh, you don't know how you finna turn up. You got a lot of horsepower in there. You done took a lot of people, baby mamas. Why would you do that? Are you a street runner? I knew you was. Listen, we're in the cockpit. 73 Peach Vert. Oh my God, hold on, let me make sure the door closed, Pop, because I feel like you're gonna go crazy.
You hit it when I come back.
Okay. Good God. This shit. Listen, I'm giving y'all ocular proof of what's going on. Oh my God! Good God Almighty! Listen, hey boy, listen. If you want that power, you might need to come to Legend Racing. You hear me? They got all the power you need. Good God! Oh my God! Listen, it's a different feeling when you're sitting in this passenger seat. I keep telling y'all that. Oh my God! Yeah. Okay, pop. Good God Almighty! Slow this motherfucker down. Good God! Listen. Shit! Listen. Good God, Pop, I'm gonna get out. That's why I want you to get one like going off real good.
All right.
Listen, good. What you gonna do? You gonna go from right here, come back around. All right, I'm gonna get on the other side. Man, you gotta hold on for dear life in that motherfucker. Do you hear what I'm saying? You gotta be a real driver to drive that power. I ain't ready for that type of power. I ain't even gonna lie to you. It's folks that won't keep it real. I ain't ready for that type of power right there. I'm scared. God! 73-piece sun-kissed vert. Oh my God. Listen, that motherfucker shooting 7.62 rubbers at me. You hear what I'm saying? The rubber coming off the tire. Let me show you the pavement. You gotta be a real tattooist out here. Anybody can tattoo skin, but you gotta be able to tattoo the pavement. You gotta be able to tattoo the pavement. I'm just trying to motivate y'all. Y'all see what the fuck going on? 73 peach ring vert. Good God! Good God! I got it today. That shit ridiculous. That shit ridiculous. Listen. I don't know what type of motor he got in there, but I know that motherfucker serious. He got an Olympic track star on that motor. He got somebody that really run track. That track star, Sha'Carri Richardson. Sha'Carri Richardson. He got Sha'Carri Richardson inside of the engine bay. He got Sha'Carri Richardson inside of the engine bay. Listen, I don't know what's in that motor or what's been built in it, but I know he got a real live track. He got a real live Olympic track runner inside of that engine bay. He got Sha'Carri Richardson inside of the engine bay. Oh my God.
Just a little bit.
See, that's what you gotta learn. You gotta ask questions too.
Now, yeah, for sure. And just the seat time. Listen, but that's a lot of power right there.
That's a lot of
Good God.
They make it look so easy, guys.
For sure, that damn sure make that shit look easy.
I just don't know how to drive.
Yeah, nah,
Don't
understood.
say you don't know how to drive. Just say you haven't hit it.
That's it.
Don't
Yeah.
say you don't, bro.
That's
you
it.
do. You just haven't did it yet. That's all. You haven't really hit that motherfucker like that and stayed in it. That's what it is. You get
Listen. See, that's how I'm gonna feel, definitely. Like, but at the same time, I'm still learning this shit too. Like, so like being the experience of feeling how that shit feel, I never felt no shit like that. I'm gonna be honest. That shit is a different feeling. That shit a whole different feeling. God. Yeah, no, for sure. I say, but hey, slow this motherfucker down. For sure.
That nigga be in there, I be telling his ass slow it down.
And I ain't even hitting it.
I gotta get in that bit with D1 to see how I really.
God damn.
Hey, boy.
Listen.
I know
like
somebody
you
that know how to
glued to
handle
the
that bitch and
motherfucker,
drive
you can't
on
get
mine
out.
sitting up in that bit. I done been up in the Camaro though that's like that there though, man. Back then, I remember the dude that.
At least with the car, it feel like it's on the ground. The truck, man, it just feel like the cabin. This, I told him, it feel like this shit feel like it's ice skating. Like, it ain't no weight back there going. I say that shit, boy, listen, that shit for real. These boys really tattoo us. These boys really tattooing. These boys having a tap out session. I'm just trying to motivate y'all. I don't know if your 73 vert got a track runner in it. I don't know if your truck got a VHS in it, because this shit got child's play in it. I just don't know if you really equipped to cause ruckus, mayhem, and madness. Right here, I think this right here over 4,000 horsepower. We got 4,000 horsepower right here. I think that's what it is, 4,000 horsepower. Why? Cause look at all this. Look at all this shit. Look at all this shit in the road. 4,000 horsepower, leaving shit in the road. It's a porta john, all this shit everywhere. The city gonna have to clean all this shit up.
He kept staying in it for a minute.
Nah, for sure. That motherfucker, good God.
That ain't even long enough.
It's still smoking.
Yeah, that's it. That shit really blowing Zah. God damn. You see the smoke coming out of there?
Rooftop scene like, well,
Good God.
good God, oh Ruckums, mayhem, and madness.
Good
Better believe
God.
it.